So GitHub is a online repository for source code. And what is a repository? It's simply like a warehouse, a storage facility where you can save code. And we're going to be using it to save code. But why is it popular? Why is it used throughout the industry at the college level? Because it allows teams to work on a single piece of code and make changes to it. Right. So the way that GitHub is set up is, if I'm the creator of a repository, I can put up a piece of source code, and then I could have the people on my team pull from that source code, which means they take a copy of it and then they put it onto their desktop. Then they could work on it, make changes to it, and then they could have me or other people on the team take a look at the code, approve it, and once it's been approved by everyone, then they merge it with the master code. So it makes the change to the master code so that everybody, when they go ahead and pull it again, see those changes, right? So it's just like an organized way that people can work on the same bit of code with some fidelity. So yeah, extremely popular in the professional world. And we're going to be using it not so much for those aspects of pulling and pushing and working as a team on a single piece of code, but more it's just a storage facility. And why? Well, the reason is because it's kind of a biography of your coding skills. Right. So what you can do is, after you uploaded all your projects onto GitHub, you could forward the link to your GitHub to a potential employer or someone who's looking for an intern. And then they can look through your code, see what you've written, call you in for an interview, and then talk to you about your code, understand that you know what you're talking about to a certain level, and that would make you more competitive. So that's kind of my idea of why we're going to put this together. And it also gives you kind of a primer on GitHub so that you're not, taken aback when you first encounter it over at the college level or when you start working. So that's GitHub.